What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It is Lamborghini time again. Today we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. We've got 7 different color variations to go over today, starting off with this one, which is our green colored variation. Got the gray wheels on there. If we look at the casting, it's just a very unique design, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. I love the back on that like kind of engine cover right there. It's got those like slots right there. Looks really, really cool. It's got a little bit of a spoiler on there. Nothing too aggressive, but still one that makes a statement. That is our first of the Sesto Elemento. We'll throw it up there. Our next one is kind of like a reddish maroon colored one. Got the black stripe down the middle right there, and it's kind of outlined. And I really like these two things right here, like the little triangle things on the Sesto Elemento. I'm not sure exactly what they are in real life, what they do, but it's a cool design feature if that's exactly what it is. But blacked out wheels on this one, colored lip. Also, we've got those kind of weird slots covering the engine bay right there, the nice spoiler with that stripe that continues right onto that spoiler right there. So that is that one. And our next one is, we got a black one, and black one with the kind of colored interior, and even those yellow triangles nicely colored, as well as those slots on the back. That looks really, really cool. Chrome wheels on this one. Then we got the base that is that nice bright color as well. But black, I think black looks good. Black looks good on any car, so we'll throw the black one up there. Our next one is matte white finish. We do have a matte white finish on the Lamborghini Huracans as well, and it's interesting to see they've carried over this matte finish onto a Sesto Elemento. I'm not sure what I think about it. I prefer the glossy white finish. Matte looks, it's interesting. It's different though. Got these nice gold wheels on there, blacked out. There we go. That's our white one. And then next up we have the blue one. It's kind of like a light sky blue, and these are these kind of like cool, fast looking wheels right there. I love the slots on them. They look really, really neat. I like these wheels. And on the back, we can see those nice slots on the engine cover, that raised up spoiler. And then in the front, nice tampo work for the headlights, and those triangles are nice orange color on there. There we go. For that one right there, then we get, it's kind of like a goldish copper color for this one right here. It's a matte finish to it. Got the stripe just on the roof, that's kind of interesting. We don't really see that where it's just the roof stripe. And on the back, our engine bay, those slots are not colored on this one. And we got a little bitty Hot Wheels logo just on the spoiler right there. It's kind of a weird touch to it. All blacked out wheels on there. There's that diffuser on the back and that nice aggressive front end. We'll throw that one up there. And the last but not least, this is our final variation of the Sesto Elemento. You can see how that big black stripe down there, and it kind of just gracefully finishes just at these points right here. Nothing colored on the engine bay. There's that aggressive looking spoiler though for you, but this one's a cool one all around. I like it. I like the darker wheels with the colored look on there. But there we go. We'll throw that one just right down in the center there. And those are our 7 Lamborghini Sesto Elementos. Comment down below your favorite variation of the Sesto Elemento, and which color do you hope that it comes out with in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.